Hi guys, welcome to A Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. Today we are parked up at St John's in the Vale, right outside the youth hostel, which I remember staying in when I was at junior school. Happy memories there. Just and so see snow on the mountain tops there. And there is St John's in the Vale youth hostel. I've got Craig, the one-legged wanderer, and his pal with us today. And we are heading up High Rigg, one of the smaller of the Wainwrights. I think if memory serves, it's the fourth smallest, at around about 357 metres. But apparently there's some really beautiful panoramic views up there. And as always, I'll bring you back along the way to show you the beautiful views of the Lake District as they open up. So come on, let's go. We are just above the youth hostel now, and that first section is pretty steep. But with that, the views open up very quickly. An absolutely cracking view down the valley, down towards Thirlmere and Keswick direction. Looks like we do have a little bit of rain coming in the centre of shot there. Looking right down upon the St John's in the Vale youth hostel. And more clearly visible high altitude snow. And it's been a while since I've seen Craig. Last time I saw Craig was at Levoo on the farm. We speak quite a lot of the time anyways over WhatsApp and what have you, but awesome to have Craig back out with us again. So looks like the steepness doesn't back away. It's still fairly steep here, and we've got a little bit of a slog ahead of us. So we'll crack on with that. And that is that first steep section done, and the path going forward doesn't look anywhere near as bad as that. Craig, the one-legged wanderer, hasn't been out up a fell for a while, and you're dead, mate, aren't you? But there's no rush today, so we're just taking us time. We can clearly see Bass Lake now with the little bit of sunshine coming through the rain. Beautiful view that at the tail end of Bass Lake. You can see that rain definitely is coming. However, in the distance you can see we've got some blue skies and some sunshine. Hopefully if we do get some showers up there, they'll just be fleeting and we will get plenty of time to sit out, enjoy the views and catch up. We are starting to get there now, not very far off the summit. However, we are being chased by this rain that's coming in from Bass Lake side. You can see there we're still gaining elevation, but that rain is most definitely heading our way, although it is heading slightly towards Penrith as well. Once again, I've got the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Solar for my route guidance, and it's keeping us bang on path.
Very good actually.
Very good, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
So I reckon somewhere just up this path, looping round to a summit just out of our eyesight. So it shouldn't be too much longer now before we pitch in the tents. We are just about to start the final ascent to the summit of High Rigg. We've got our first view down the other side of the valley towards Thirlmere. Snow on top there, very clear now, and it also looks like we've got some rain coming in over Thirlmere. Beautiful, beautiful views. The summit is just there, and here we go. High Rigg. Done and boshed, another one off the list. And they weren't lying when they said because it's a small mountain doesn't mean it doesn't have 360 panoramic views. Fantastic this. So that's the direction we've came from towards Penrith. Just down here where we parked. Skidder covered in cloud and rain. Bass Lake a lot more clearer now. Swinging round towards Thirlmere. Absolutely stunning. We've even got the backdrop to my left at the moment with the mountain face pretty steep. Lovely little waterfall. We've got snow on top. The wind's very slight, but it is cool. I think we're in for a cold night. Little bite to it, yeah. So we're going to have a little look around, see if we can find ourselves a pitch for the night, get set up, get the chairs out, and then Craig, would you tell the ladies and gentlemen at home, once we've got set up and the chairs up, what time will it be?
Guinness time.
Guinness time, or also known
Stella
as
time.
Beer o'clock.
Beer o'clock, mate, yeah.
Beer o'clock.
100%. I deserve that.
Yeah, once we've got the tent set up and the chairs out, it will most definitely be beer o'clock and time for a catch up with my good pal Craig. Well, we've been up here a little while now. We haven't actually managed to sit down properly and have a beer yet. We've just been making sure we've got all of our setups done correctly. But that rain, luckily enough, has missed us. Just heading towards Penrith at the moment. As you can see, we are getting towards the latter stages of the day. I'm hoping that we're going to get a lovely sunset over there, but it's lighting the valley up beautifully. And you can see that rain just over towards Penrith. Once again, I am in the Northern Light. I don't need to run through that setup with you. You guys know that. Some beers for tonight. Tactical Duck is looking after the food. If you know, you know. We're back on the all-day breakfast for morning, and I'm on the Real Termat beef stew for tea. Craig is in the Alp Kit Tarp Star 2, which is also a trekking pole tent. Plenty of room in there, look at the size of that. Also, he's on the Sea to Summit Etherlite XT Extreme. Acres of space. He's also just eaten a dragon's egg. How's that going, Craig?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot.
I'll let you know tomorrow. I'll let you know in the morning.
And we've also got an OEX Bobcat 1 tonight. I know a lot of people like those tent. It's not really my cup of tea, simply for the fact that, well, I'm a Cumbrian Yeti and I don't think I'd fit in there. In fact, I know I won't.
I'm 5'11", I'm just about getting it.
Yeah, so, but a lot of people do like them, and they also offer very good value for money, same as the OEX Fox 2. But now it is most definitely time for us to get the chairs out, sit down and crack a beer. So we'll do that and I'll see you soon. Well, we've been sat out for a little bit now, me and the boys, we've been chewing the cud. The sun is going down and it's not freezing, but it's cold on the hands. Not quite food time yet, but we are starting to get the beginnings of a very, very nice sunset. Thirlmere just out of shot over that ridge there. But look at this. Some lovely moody clouds and just enough light for the sun to peek through. Look at that. You can barely see Bass Lake now, just because it's starting to get a bit dusky.
It has gone really dark, hasn't it?
Clearing up over there, facing round towards Blencathra and Penrith. Stunning, man. Absolutely stunning. This is why we do it. This is why we do it. So me and the boys, we're just going to sit out for a bit longer, put the world to rights, and I'll bring you back when it's food time. Well, that's me back in my tent. Me and the boys have been sat out for hours now, and we've been taking in the views. Sunset, unreal. The weather kept closing in, and we've got clear views of Blencathra and cloudy views of Blencathra. It's been absolutely fantastic, but for now it is most definitely food time. Real Termat beef stew for tea tonight, and I've added a little bit of extra water into it, and I think I've got it absolutely perfect. Oh, absolutely banging, absolutely banging. The temperature has plummeted. It's cold. We're not quite frosty yet, but the wind chill outside, even though the wind is not strong, the wind chill is savage, and getting inside the tent has made a real difference. And having some warm food, even more so. I'm going to enjoy my food. Me and the boys, we're all inside our tents now, and we're going to enjoy a bit of crack. We're going to get our heads down, hopefully have a good night's sleep. So enjoy the photos and drone footage I've got for you overnight, and we'll see you in the morning.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around in my sorrow. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count and my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Hey, I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see.
Well, good morning everyone. What a cracking night's sleep. We were all in our tents fairly early, about 8 o'clock, and grabbed my food and stuff like that. It's now 6 in the morning, I've slept right through. It's cold. Don't know whether the camera's picking it up, but it is cold. What a cracking night. What a cracking night. So pleased Craig and his pal come up today. The sunset was amazing. Absolutely brilliant. Right, it is time to get some food on the go. And you will not be disappointed to hear it's the all-day breakfast from Wayfarer. Just getting ready to put the jet boil on to cook my breakfast, and the tent is just so frozen. Right, everyone's up. We're all starting to get packed up. Well, them two boys are. I'm having my breakfast. But yeah, back on the all-day breakfast from Wayfarers. My absolute go-to for camp. Love these, love these. Oh, it's very much needed this morning. It's only going to be a quick walk back to the car, to be fair, but you can't beat a good breakfast. So good, Mum. So good. I've forgotten how much I missed these. The last few camps I haven't had one. Right, you guys know the drill by now. I'm going to get myself away and finish my breakfast. We're going to get packed down, and then once again it'll be time to walk back to the car in the pitch black dark, and no doubt someone will fall on the backside walking down that steep bit back to the youth hostel. 50 quid says it's Craig. Yeah, stacks it on the way down, mate. And that is us all packed up. Surprisingly cold this morning. We've got a light frost, but the old fingertips are freezing. You can see the area where we all had our tents. Just my walking poles there. Nothing left behind. Rucksack ready to go. And the bin bag. So as always, and as it should be, we'll be leaving no trace. We've got a cracking salmon sky this morning. I'll give you one last look around before we head back to the car. Looking over towards Thirlmere, snow-capped mountains in the Keswick direction, Bass Lake, Skidder, Blencathra, and over towards Penrith. And look at that sun starting to come up over that fell there. That is magnificent. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as we all have. So once again, until next time, stay safe, much love from a Cumbrian lad.